Galileo Galilei on 1564 to 1642. Galileo was born in Pisa, Italy on February 15, 1564. His father, Vincenzo Galilei, was a musician. Galileo's mother, Giulia degli Amanti. In 1583, Galileo entered the University of Pisa to study medicine. Armed with high intelligence and talent, he soon became fascinated with many subjects, particularly mathematics and physics. However, due to financial difficulties, Galileo left the university in 1585 before earning his degree. In addition, Galileo was the first of 6 children. His family belongs to the nobility but was not rich. In the early 1570s, he and his family moved to Florence.
Nearly 70, at the time of his trial, Galileo lived his last 9 years under comfortable house arrest, writing a summary of his early motion experiments that became his final great scientific work. He died in Arcetri near Florence, Italy on January 8, 1642. At age 77, suffering from heart palpitations and a fever. Galileo studied speed and velocity, gravity and free fall, the principles of relativity, inertia, projectile motion, and also worked on applied science and technology, describing the properties of pendulums and hydrostatic balances.
He also designed a major component for the first pendulum clock, Galileo's escapement. The design, however, went unveiled until after the construction of the first working pendulum clock by Christian Huygens. He invented the thermoscope and various military compasses, and used the telescope for scientific observations of celestial objects.
His contribution to observational astronomy include telescopic confirmation of the bases of Venus, observation of the 4 largest satellites of Jupiter, observation of Saturn's ring, proof that the moon had mountains, and analysis of lunar craters and sunspots. Even though Galileo was not the first inventor of the refracting telescope, significantly enhanced its power, allowing him to see with a magnification of 8 or 9 times.
The planet Venus showed changing crescent phases like those of the moon, but their geometry could only be explained if Venus was moving around the sun. This contradicted the idea that everything in the heaven revolved around the earth. The moon's surface was not smooth and perfect as received wisdom had claimed, but rough, with mountains and craters whose shadows changed with the position of the sun. Galileo was able to estimate the height of the lunar mountains using the length of the shadows, demonstrating that they were similar to mountains on Earth.
When Galileo Galilei first observed Saturn in 1610, he thought that the rings were enormous moons, one position on each side of the planet. Over several years of observation, he noted that the rings changed shape and even disappeared as they changed their inclination with respect to Earth. Galileo saw that the Milky Way was not just a band of misty lights. It was made up of thousands of individual stars.